on weather changes, but one particular bait. In towing your boat, here is a safety chain tip. Oh, man. Oh, shoot. With quality components, guides, reel seat, as well as a handle. A rod that's lightweight, that's extremely sensitive. Dadgummit. Well, it's sensitive, all right. It's sensitive enough, and I felt that fan. Dadgummit! The Colorado blade puts out more vibration than let's say, a Willow blade, or even the Oklahoma blade. Golly. Come here. Come here. Woo! We got our rods. We've got our life preservers. We've got our tackle box. We've got our cooler. And we've got our battery. You're not going to be able to jump it. Oh. Ah! Oh, man. Oh, good gosh. I make my living outside, and I'm exposed to the harmful UV rays. That's why I use a quality sun cream like Blue Lizard. Blue Lizard gives you maximum protection. What the heck was that? So until next time, catch one for me and enjoy the great fishing America has to offer. We'll see you next time. Whoa, Nelly! I thought I had it in reverse.